Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed, I recommend you to subscribe because you're gonna get a lot of notifications about every video that I will be making for you here on this platform for you to learn some strategies about online. Um, you had to upload a YouTube video. That's the main point here right now. So today on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to upload a YouTube video because a lot of people thinks that only uploading a video on YouTube and not creating any great content or not adding metal tags, not adding description, that's gonna help you get some views. That's not gonna help you guys. So first of all, you do need a you need to add a good video on YouTube, whatever it is that you're doing, whatever your content is, right? So in this case, I'm just gonna teach you how to upload a video, right? So we're gonna go to, and not just upload the video, but I'm also going to teach you where to add the metal tags, description. You can also add some of the links. If you're selling some stuff, you can link those links below every video that you will be making on YouTube. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna go to our YouTube, right, main page, homepage, and then we're gonna go to our channel, and then from our channel we're gonna go to studio, and then just follow the steps, guys. It's not that hard. I didn't know these little details before. I barely started getting into this, and I have been having success on this. Okay, so once you have already clicked on my studio on your YouTube channel, you can go to create. You see this button right here at the you guys see it right there, right? So we're gonna click on create a video, or if you already have a video made, you can just upload a video, which in this case that's what I'm gonna do. And here's my video. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna open this one video. It's already uploading, so we're gonna wait for that, and then we're gonna wait a few minutes for the video to upload, right? And it says right here it's already uploading. So but in this case I had already uploaded the same video before, so that way we don't have to wait too much and edit the video, right? So once the video is already uploaded on YouTube, you can go to still on YouTube Studio, and then go to where it says right here on the left side, it says videos. You're gonna go to where it says videos, and then we're gonna edit the video, right? Once it's your video uploaded, you are gonna go to where it says title. So whatever your content is about, you're gonna write in a title so that people can actually click on the video, right? So in this case, I'm just gonna name it Andres and KG, because that's just me and my daughter right now, and I'm just giving you an example, right? I'm not KG talking about YouTube. Oh. Okay, so that's the title, right? And here's the video. We can play the video here.
Hey, what's up, everybody? So today, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to upload it.
Okay, sorry, I had the AC on and the video sounds a little ratchet. But anyways, I'm just giving you examples here. I'm not trying to be all badass and right, but you get the point and you get the ideas. That's what it matters, right? So once the video is already uploaded, you go to you're gonna go to where it says title, and then you pick up a good title for your video, and then on description you're gonna talk about sorry, I have to okay, so on description you're gonna give a nice description about what your video is about. Let's say if you're talking, in this case, if I'm teaching you how to upload a video about YouTube, so my description is gonna be learn step by step how to upload blah 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 blah, right? Upload a video, blah blah blah. Give a nice description about your video so that way you get more views, right? So that's it for now. That was an uploading a video. That was just how to upload a video and adding a title and then adding a description, right? I'm gonna make another video next, and this video next is gonna be about how to add a metal tags. Where I'm gonna also teach you how to add a thumbnail. Okay, for those of you guys who don't know what a thumbnail is, it's going to look like this. It's gonna be like a photo of you, or you see this right here, this photo right here that it doesn't move. That's gonna be like the first impression of your video. Make sure you create a really great impression for your audience, so that way they can click right away, right when they see your video, whenever they're scrolling up or down on the homepage, on the YouTube homepage, right? Okay, so that's it for now. On my next video, I'm going to teach you how to add the thumbnail, and I'm gonna teach you how can you make your videos. Okay, and I'm also going to help you. I'm going to teach you how to add the end screen, so that way whenever your video is about to end, there's more videos pop out about you. So these all videos that are here are mine actually. So as you can see, by the end of the video, when it's almost done, I'm targeting my audiences with more videos, right? And the subscription button right here. So I'm gonna go over these details in my next video. Okay, I'll see you on my next video, people.